Hello there, hope you're well. Just a quick video to show you this battery tester which I bought recently. So I'll just show you the different sides of it first of all, and then I'll test it out on this range of battery types and sizes I have here. Okay, so first of all I'll just show you on the back there. It's got a chart showing the different ranges of good, low and replace and their respective voltages. So if you wanted to look at that technical type of detail, it's there on the back. And then on the front there, I'll show you this section first because this is where it shows you the battery power. So you can see the red zone to the left, amber or yellow in the middle, and green to the right. So that's for replace on red and good on green. And those little white windows, there's 7 LEDs behind there, and just one of them will light up when a battery is put to the test to show you how fully charged it is. And just below there, it shows the scale for button batteries or cell batteries, the type you have in a watch or a car key fob. So it's on a slightly different calibration to the LED rows there. Okay, and just below that here, there's an embossed symbol of a battery, which the point at this end showing the positive end, and that's the direction you'd fit them in when you're testing them, except for the 9-volt square type batteries like this type here, which has the contacts on the end for testing them and showing their 9 volts with plus to the right and minus to the left. So for the other type of batteries, this red slider moves along to accommodate the different sizes, and it shows there from AAA size to D, the larger size, according to the size of each battery, like so. Okay, so I'll first of all test the 9-volt battery. This is quite a new one, so I'm expecting this to come up in green. So I'll just line up the positive to negative with the battery like that, and put that in contact. And yeah, that's come up in green. Hopefully you can see that there. Okay, and then I'll test this button battery or cell battery. And I think the easiest way to do that, because it's quite fiddly to hold with it being small, I think it's easiest to do it like so. Move the slider down till it grips, and then you can see there it's come up as green, so that's fully powered, and you can just see it in between the metal contacts there. Okay, so put that to one side, and then the next one is AAA, so it goes in that way, and when the contacts touch it, there we go, that lights up in green also. And AA, the slightly larger one, also fully powered on green, and this is type C, and that's also in the fully charged range on green. So I've got some older half-worn batteries which I will test just for demonstration reasons to see if they come up in the different parts of the range on there. So this is another older 9-volt battery, and you can see that's come up in green but on the lower end of the green zone, which is expecting something like that. And then see what comes up with this AA battery, and if you can see that's come up in the middle yellow or amber zone. Oh, that's running out of power as we speak. That one's not having a good day, really. Okay, just test a few more. So that one's in the middle of the green zone there, so that's not too bad. And then this next one, it's another AA. That's in the far right of the green zone, so that's very good. And this one, middle of the green zone, and one more, also the middle of the green zone. Okay, so you can see it brought up a range of results there for the different batteries. Okay, so I'm quite pleased with this. As you can see, it's quite quick to run through a few old batteries, and if you've got some lying around in a kitchen drawer, which seems to be where they end up in my house for some reason, and then you can just spend a few minutes sorting through them with this, so I'm quite happy with it. Okay, put a written review on next to this with any more details I can think of. So hopefully that was helpful to some extent, not too boring or too exciting. Thanks for watching anyway. Take care. Bye bye.